this is something. Jesus Christ. Just take that Porsche. Jesus. Hello guys, welcome back to another video, a special one today. We are in the V12 BMW 760 Li and we're at the Nurburgring. So we drove all the way here, 500 miles on one tank of fuel. That challenge was successful. And now we are going to attempt to go on the Nordschleife for the first time as well. And yeah, I don't really know what to expect, but I am going to take you guys along with me. Rest assured, I'm not going to be pushing this thing to the absolute max. You know, it is a bit of a barge, and you know, it isn't going to be the quickest thing around the track, let's just say that. But I'm going to try and have a little bit of fun, but of course safety is the main regard here. So yeah, we're just going to navigate our way to get some sort of ticket, and then we will I guess go on the Nordschleife itself. Do we go to the ticket office? Is that where we're going? We'll try that. EDC is in sports. We have the transmission in sport mode as well. There we go, this is it. Oh, this feels weird. Just got to stay to the right. Nothing silly now. Sharp bend. This may not have the best handling, but what we do have is great acceleration out of the corners. Oh, this is something. I tell you what, it's not coping too bad for a big old barge. Stay to the right, stay to the right. So you think you're going pretty quick, but then you just get someone in an M2 like absolutely flying up to you. Need to remember to scrub off speed because we're going into corners at nearly 80 miles an hour in a BMW 7 Series. Wow, this is a fast downhill. Jesus. Tap on the brakes. Jesus Christ. Oh, this is the slow bend. Ah, what's the GoPro doing? Stay back there. I'm not even going to try and get in the way of any of the cars. Even though I probably could have them for speed, but I'm not going to try it. This is my first time on any kind of racetrack. And we have a yellow flag. A yellow flag means no overtaking, is that right? And then we put our hazards on, I guess. Oh dear, that's what can happen, I guess. Somebody has sideswiped the barriers. Just take that Porsche. Now we have an E36 just pushing on as well. Maybe that Porsche driver was put off from the scenes that he saw just a few corners prior. So we have another Porsche coming up behind us, followed by an M2. Yeah. Like I said, you think you're quick, but you're just so off the pace. I'm guessing it would help if you actually learned the track. We have a steep incline coming now. The mini carousel. Oh, let's do it. Whoa! Ah! Hey, was that the mini carousel or was that the actual carousel? I think that might have been the actual carousel. We have an Audi Q5 up in front. Oh, Jesus. The Porsche. Yeah, you don't mess with the Porsche on this track. Oh, it's an Audi Q7. Lost traction slightly there. There been another crash. Definitely been something. Jesus, what was that? It got peppered with something. Tyre squealing there. This the straight, foot flat to the floor. And of course we are coming off here, so we will just slow it down. Just let the brakes cool off, I guess. I am sweating. No idea how that looked on camera, by the way. That was some experience. I need to wrap it up after. I need to give myself a minute. I need to get myself a nice cool drink and just gather my thoughts. It seemed a lot quicker than what I thought it'd be, though. It didn't seem like a long time at all. I mean, I guess a good first time driver's time would be about 10 minutes. And I don't know if I was, more or less than that, no idea. Yeah, I guess we'll have to see. I mean, once I see the GoPro footage, I'll probably see that I was about 20 minutes, but I don't know. We'll have to wait and see, I suppose. That was honestly so good though, so much fun. Have to give the car a check over, and maybe, just maybe, we'll give it another go. Okay, so we've came off of the Nordschleife now, and I think I've had a minute to gather my thoughts. That was so much fun. Like I said, it went a lot quicker than I thought. The track actually seemed shorter than what I thought it was going to be. I don't know why. I think when you have 20 kilometers of track in your head, you think that's going to be like forever and a day to get around. But yeah, it seemed to fly back. It seemed to fly by pretty quickly. The reality is that you can, of course, crash on there, which we saw that Porsche sadly had, slid into one of the barriers. but I guess that's what happens when you push things too hard. Obviously, I wasn't pushing things too hard. I think I only overtook like 2 or 3 cars, and they were like family cars. So yeah, I really, didn't try to push things at all. But I have decided, after looking around the car, I've checked the brakes, checked the tyres and everything looks good. I have decided to go back on it again. Yeah, that was so much fun, and I need to go on that again. Obviously, I know kind of what to expect now. I don't know the track by any means still, but yeah, I know a little bit of what more to expect. So yeah, we are going to go on it just one more time. Let's do it. Already at 100 miles an hour. This Alpha up in front was going slow, and is definitely thinking, now I don't want to be overtaken by a BMW 7 Series. That's not what you want to happen on YouTube corner. Okay then guys, so we are off of the Nordschleife for the second time, and yeah, this car seemed to perform pretty much flawlessly. Like I said, I'm pretty sure the brakes got a little bit hot, but they are only stop brakes. Although they are huge, they are required to stop this absolute mammoth of a thing. It's like 2.2 tons or something, I think it is. But yeah, like apart from that, it performed very, very well. I think largely down to the fact that I have the best tyres that you can buy, pretty much, Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's. You never want to mess around when it comes to tyres, especially if you are thinking of going on the Nurburgring yourself. But yeah, honestly, I've got to say it's got to be up there with one of the best experiences in my life. It was so good to actually be there in person. Obviously, I've seen tons of videos, I've heard tons of stories of people that have been there, and to actually go there and do it myself in a, let's be honest, a little bit of an unusual car is, it's just next level. It was so good, and like I said, I am definitely 100% coming back, and I'll probably come back in something that is, probably a little bit more suitable. But yeah, I've had so much fun today. I'd recommend it to anyone. If you are thinking of coming, if you are contemplating coming here, just come. It's definitely going to be worth it. Get yourself a tourist lap, and just take it easy. And then if you want to go again, then go again. But yeah, I guess the more times you go on it, you'll sort of build up your confidence. But yeah, that's it. That's my first experience on the Nurburgring Nordschleife, and I had so much fun. But yeah, I want to thank all of you for watching anyway. Please give this video a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so, and I'll see you all in that next one.